Hey my Tiffany J inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. Why? Because we moved, we unpacked, and now I get to show you all my decorating videos. Of course, it's going to take me some time to finish all the rooms, but I did finish my dining room and I'm super excited to show you in today's video. But before we get in today's video, I just want to welcome my new subscribers. If you like deals, decor, and DIYs, then this is the channel for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like this video. And let's get started into my dining room decor. I absolutely love the saying on this beautiful canvas that I scored from Hobby Lobby for only $30, as well as this beautiful rustic farmhouse clock that I scored from Gabes for only $19.99. Talk about a deal. I love Greenery, so I thought these would be a perfect touch on my dining room table. They were from JoAnn's. They were only $1.59, so I definitely could not leave them there. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know about these bowls and plates that I scored from Dollar Tree for only $1. They are beautiful and they remind me of the ones from Pottery Barn, so for $1, I could not leave them there. I also scored these beautiful napkins for only $1.59 from my local Hobby Lobby. I purchased these beautiful candlestick holders for only $1 at my local Goodwill and then added the Dollar Tree candles to the top. If you saw my previous video, you saw that I purchased this house from my local AC Moore, which closed down for only $4. All of the beautiful glassware that you see on my dining room table is from Dollar Tree for only $1, and they are worth more than $1 to me. This is my first time using a table runner on a dining room table, and I absolutely love this one from Hobby Lobby, and it was only $11.99. So here it is, you guys, my farmhouse rustic dining room. I absolutely love it and I cannot wait to host my family and friends. Alright guys, so thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed my dining room decor. I cannot wait to show you as I finish the rest of the rooms, and I'll see you in my next video. But wait, before you go, please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you like this video. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!